Hi, I'm Darren McNair.
Hi, I'm Sunny D. Nicola with Lardier McNair. So a lot of times clients come to me and say, my spouse just filed for divorce, I just got served, what do I need to do next? Like, what's the timeline? How much is it going to cost? How long is this going to take? Well, most attorneys will say, well, that depends on a lot of different factors in your particular case. Are there children? Is there a business? Are we fighting about child support, spousal support, parenting time? Are there retirement accounts we have to divide? Who's going to keep the house? So typically, timeline-wise, the Supreme Court lays out some guidelines that the courts should follow. There's more time if there's children involved, less time if there's not children involved. The first hearing that typically happens is called a temporary orders hearing, and that's in front of a magistrate, and the magistrate will make temporary orders saying someone has to pay these debts and here's the parenting time if you have children. Then it goes to the judge level and we have a pretrial with the judge and status conferences. And if your case goes down the trajectory that you eventually are going to have a trial, then we have to do a lot of different types of discovery, we do depositions. So if you're now into the thick of it, it's pretty expensive, it's costly. And you're going to spend more money than if we can resolve it at the beginning stages of the divorce.
And we'll handle your case on an hourly basis. You'll get billing statements monthly. It'll be transparent. You'll see where your money's going. And we'll have frequent consultations to talk about, where are we going to spend our money in this? What are our budgets on this? Are we going to hire a business evaluator? Are we going to get a forensic accountant? Are we going to ask the court to appoint someone to do psychological exams on the spouse or vis-a-vis the children? Taking a step back a little bit from that, you must have been a resident of the state of Ohio for 6 months and the county for 90 days before the court will have jurisdiction to hear your divorce case. So if you've moved here from another state and you've not lived here long enough to file your divorce case, an underutilized way to move forward and start the process is to file legal separation because there's no residency requirements. Now, that doesn't mean the case can't get moved to the county or the state that has better jurisdiction, but if you're in agreement with your spouse, at least on proceeding in Ohio, we can file the legal separation, get it started, start separating assets and liabilities, start getting a parenting schedule hammered out, and continuing that status quo. And then once you reach the residential requirements, we can convert it to a divorce. So if you've got questions regarding parenting time, child support, spousal support, or custody, and want to know what your rights are with respect to a divorce, please give us a call. We'd love to talk to you about it. And thanks for watching the video.